Hi everyone, today we're going to learn the other type of VLOOKUP, the VLOOKUP Approximate Match. Yung madalas natin ginagamit is the VLOOKUP Exact Match. Let's try to look yung syntax ng VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP has four arguments or requirement. Yung first is the VLOOKUP value. Next is the table array. Next is the column index number, and the fourth one and the last is the range lookup. Yung range lookup, it's enclosed in a square brackets. It means it's only optional. Kapag ang isang Excel formula is inside the square brackets, it's optional. Now, when we use VLOOKUP, ang madalas natin nilalagay sa range lookup is false or zero, because we're trying to look for an exact match. But for approximate match, instead of false or zero, it's either we will input true or 1, or we can just leave it as blank because it's an optional. Okay, saan ba applicable ang VLOOKUP approximate match? Okay, in this example, meron tayong employee, mayroon silang sales number, and then we need to return or we need to know yung sales commission rate nila based on this commission rate table. Ang commission rate table ay may value range, let's say from 0 but less than 500,000, 0% yung commission rate nila. And then from 500,000 but less than 800,000, 20% na commission rate nila, and so on and so forth. For this particular table, it's very important na itong first column nito is sorted in ascending order. Okay, so let's try to use VLOOKUP approximate match. VLOOKUP, lookup value natin is yung sales number nila. Ang table array natin is these three columns. We need to press the F4 once to lock up yung table array. And then column index number is pang ilang column yung commission rate, which is 1, 2, 3. So nasa third column siya. And then range lookup, since we are using approximate match, we can either use true, or we can input 1, or we can just leave it blank. So for this one, we will just leave it blank. Control Enter, and then we'll just double click to copy the formula down to the last employee. Okay, so how does Excel evaluate the formula of approximate match? Let's say, for example, here, say 1, meron siyang sales na 1.5 million. That 1.5 million will be compared in the first column here. So, on each number, until na makakita siya ng number na mas malaki sa kanya, and then it will go back down or up to dun sa previous number. Let's say 1.5 million. Okay, mas mataas ako dyan, mas mataas ako sa 800,000, mas mataas ako up, mas mataas yung 3 million sa akin. That's why I'll go back down or up here. So that's why it's returning 30% doon sa sales commission rate ni Juan. Let's say 650,000, okay, mas mataas ako sa iyo, mas mataas ako sa 500,000, o mas mataas ang 800,000 sa akin, kaya I will go back down here. And then I will search for the rate. That's why I'm getting 20%. Okay, VLOOKUP approximate match is very useful because hindi na tayo gagamit ng mga nested if formula na mahaba, especially kung ang ating sales commission rate table ay maraming criteria, no? Or ito, mahaba to. So we would be not needing anymore yung long nested if formula. So yeah, okay, thanks for listening, and hope you like it, and hope to see you again my next Excel tip. Bye.